Discover the future of technology in the stunning region of Puglia with the University of Bari. Join our Masters in Quantum Science and Technology, where you'll dive into quantum computing, machine learning, sensing, and communication with a personalized program aligned with the EU Flagship on quantum technologies. Gain hands-on experience with cutting-edge courses and laboratory work, and benefit from a 4-month internship with prestigious industrial partners. Engage with internationally renowned experts through collaborative workshops and seminars.
We'll make sure that the students keep their curiosity and like to ask these questions and to find out why.
Quantum physics is very fascinating and intriguing, and so I think for students like this.
I think quantum technology is going to be increasingly important in industry.
Shape the quantum future with us while enjoying the beautiful landscapes of southern Italy. Fellowships are available for top candidates.